If you want to open an app in the pop-up view on Samsung Galaxy S26, then we have two ways to do so. So the first option is to open an app normally. Then we're gonna go to the background apps and we can tap on the app logo that we have at the top of the app preview. And then in here we have the open in pop-up view. There we go. As you can see now we have the app opened in the pop-up view. We can grab by the corner in order to resize it a little bit. You can tap on this line that we have at the top of the app in order to find some additional options that you might want to use. Besides that, you can also use a gesture, but we need to enable it first. So we're gonna go to settings, then here we need to scroll down and go to advanced features. Over here tap on multi-window, and then we have swipe for pop-up view, which we can enable. I also like to adjust the top corner area, so I have more space that allow me to activate the floating window mode. So we're gonna grab it from the upper left or upper right corner, and then just slide towards the middle of the phone in order to open the app in the pop-up view just like that. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.